am Lisa Fox, Realtor with Coldwell Banker in Miami, and I want to show you my latest listing in South Miami. A little bit about South Miami, if you're not familiar with it, is it's a great town, only 2 square miles with its own city government, only a mile from Whole Foods, close to many shops and restaurants, and it's nestled between Coral Gables and Pinecrest, which is an excellent location. And my latest property is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house, over 2,000 square feet total area. It's under 1,500 square feet under air. It has the option of adding a second bathroom. We have plans already drawn for that. There's a swimming pool, a screened patio, remodeled bathroom. Let me take you through.